Hello everyone, welcome back. So as I promised in my previous video, I'm going to share with you which stack or technology I have used to develop the web application called Fantine Expenses Tracker. All right, so this application is to track your everyday expenses. If you want to try it out, please go ahead and try it. But right now I'm going to share my screen and share the technology I have used. Here we go. All right. Again, so the application name Fantine Expense Tracker app, which is a web application. Here in this presentation, I'm going to share which technology and the stack I have used. If you want to go ahead and then try it out, this is the URL. You can just put this URL in your browser, your favorite browser. It can be Google Chrome, Mozilla, Safari, Opera, wherever wherever browser you prefer. Just put that URL. Then we try out the application. So what is about this application? This application, it's the everyday expenses. You just go there, you put your expenses, and then you can track your expenses. The stack I have used for the backend, I have used Java as programming language, and then for front end, I have used TypeScript. And then for the database, I have used Postgres. All right. The framework, I think I made a video where I explain framework and the programming language that you can use. If you have Java, you will use some framework. If you're using PHP, another. If you're using Python, another. So in here, I use Spring Boot because I was using Java in the back end. And then for the front end, I have used React. There are so many front end framework. There's React, there's Angular, there is Vue, there are a lot, but here I have used React. And for CSS. So for CSS, there are also many frameworks for CSS. There is Tailwind, I don't know. There is Material UI, there is Bootstrap, but me, I have used Material UI. I think it's very beautiful. CSS, it's a very beautiful framework. Yeah. Okay, for the development, we need some application or software to be able to develop our application. We need software. We have to type the code there. They are called IDE. It's integration development environment. That's where you put your code. So for the front end, I have used a VS Code, which is very good for the front end development. Then for the back end, I have used IntelliJ, which is very beautiful. It has very beautiful interface. Yeah, so deployment. Yeah, we have to deploy application in order to be out there. So when I developed, I could test my application locally, but nobody else could access that application. So in order to be everybody to access that application through the web browser and with internet, I need to deploy that in server or in the cloud. So for that, the backend I have used Heroku, and then for the front end I have used Vercel. All right, so what else did I do? I've encrypted the password. I have used a JWT in order to access the resources. So what does it mean? That's for authorization. That's for security. I have used JWT to secure to manage the authorization. Who can be authorized to access certain page? If you are not logged in, there are some page you will not be able to access because you are not authenticated. So if you're not authenticated, there is no authorization. All right, so that being said, thank you very much. Again, this is the URL to the application. If you want to check it out. Go ahead, check it out. Feel free. And please give me a feedback in the comments.